Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with just two essentials: an Apple device and your PC browser. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open FaceTime and tap Create Link. Do this now. Once done, name the link or leave default. Then copy it to clipboard and send to your Windows PC via email, chat, or QR. You are starting the session from the Apple device because Apple currently requires an Apple account to generate the join link. That is why this is the only way to start FaceTime on PC. On your PC, paste the FaceTime link into Chrome or Edge and press Enter. You will see a simple join page asking for display name. Type a recognizable name so the host can admit you. Make sure your browser asks for camera and microphone access. Allow both, and check you selected the correct devices in the browser prompt. Once done, you land in a waiting room. The host on the Apple device must admit you before audio and video connect, so be ready to confirm when they see your name. After admission, you're in the FaceTime call. Use browser controls to mute, turn video off, or switch camera. To end, close the tab or click Leave. If the host cannot admit you, ask them to update FaceTime or recreate the link. Stale links can fail. If your camera or mic do not work, check browser permissions, pick alternate input devices, or restart the browser. As a quick troubleshooting tip, try a wired headset and reload the page. Many audio issues clear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.